Okay guys, we are going to be trying some Dollar Tree DIY. Hi. The first one we're going to be trying is one from BETHANY. It's a hot chocolate station. Like, I'm not a crafter, so these people make things look so simple and so easy, but they're actual crafters. So the first thing she used was 12 of the little wooden crates from Dollar Tree, and I cannot find them, but I did find these online. So I got a pack of 12 of these little tiny boxes. So the first thing I do is paint all of these white. And also she had 6 of these trays to make like a stand on each side, but I think I'm just gonna do one because I don't think I have enough room to put like a stand on each side of it. So, and she said she started off using red apple paint, and then she ran out and then she used flag red, and she said they were really close together. I was having a hard time finding red apple, so I have 2 little red apple. So we'll just go with this, hope this works. She squeezed them out on her plate. Oh, sorry. She squeezed them on her plate and then started painting. All right, here's the first box, and they're gonna be sitting this way, so I don't need to do the bottom. Crap, this can take a lot of paint. I have to do the inside too. I thought she said she just used 2 of the... It's gonna take forever. 2 of the little bottles. I mean, I guess you wouldn't have to paint the whole inside, but... Okay, all the boxes are completely dry, so I'm going to go ahead and start hot gluing them together, how they're going to be on the stand. So, let's glue those together. Of course, as soon as I start, the ice has to drop. So this is the bottom back row. Now I'm going to glue the top row. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. I'm debating if I want this tray, this back one, like that, or right side up. I don't know. Maybe we'll just keep it flipped over. Okay, so we've got the 2 trays here. We've got the 8 compartments for our goodies. Yeah. And now let's put our other things with it. Okay, so for the little marshmallows and then the Christmas marshmallows, so they're not just in here plain. I wedged these 2 little containers with lids in these middle back 2 boxes, so I'm going to go ahead and put the marshmallows in there so those won't get gross. I can just pop the lids on there. They're in there nice and tight, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so now I'm trying to figure out what else is going to go in there. I've got Cold Stone flavored candy canes. Allie and Jax don't like peppermint, I don't think. I've got mini candy canes, chocolate spoons, peppermint spoons, those little cookies, these little cookies. We've got sprinkles. We've got the little tags for me to write on, if I can write that small. I've got the little Santas, peppermint candies, peppermint sticks, these little wafers, and then these chocolates. So let's see what I put where. I'll probably redo it 50 times. Oh, and I also have hot chocolate flavored Hershey Kisses. I don't know what we're gonna put up there. We'll see how it goes. Okay guys, here's my little hot chocolate station. So we've got the little minty. These were like on the sticks. They look like little, you'd stick them in something, but they were too tall. And I don't have anything handy to cut them with, so I just snapped them off and just hot glued them on. I was gonna just glue them on the front of the boxes. Now I kind of wish I would have. Oh well, they're on there. Anyways, so here's the hot chocolate station. We've got the giant candy cane sticks, mini candy canes, fruity, or those are ice cream flavored, Cold Stone Creamery ice cream flavored candy canes, fruity candy canes that are cherry. We've got milk chocolate spoons, dark chocolate spoons. We've got peppermint sticks, sprinkles. Okay, some hot cocoa flavored Hershey Kisses. And then up here we have the cookie sticks, mini marshmallows, the big marshmallows, the little mini Santas that are chocolate. We have peppermint candies. We have chocolates. These are the big Rudolph chocolates. There's a Santa in there, and there's Rudolph. And we have peppermint spoons. It was so hard to write on these with that paint marker because these are wood, so kind of bled on some of them. And then we have red and green M&Ms. So yeah, this is my version of Bargain Bethany's hot chocolate station, hot chocolate bar, whatever you want to call it. And I absolutely love it already. I think it's so cute. And I just threw a little hand towel from Dollar Tree back here. Everything over here is from Dollar Tree. Well, not the M&Ms, but everything else is from Dollar Tree. Oh wait, these aren't either, the hot cocoa things. And yeah, these just have little cups of hot cocoa on them. And I thought I just tied it all in perfect. So there is our hot chocolate station. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Okay guys, I completely forgot to put the hot chocolate up there. So I had another one of these tins, I forgot, or these little popcorn buckets. That's what it's for. So I have all the packets of hot chocolate. I just scooted these down a little bit. I don't have any more space to put another like tiered thing. So there's those, and I moved the sprinkles over here. So there. Now we have it with the hot chocolate packets and everything. So that is the finished hot chocolate bar station. Okay, I forgot to put my sign up. So my little chalkboard that I got from Dollar Tree for $1, and I used a white paint marker and just put a hot chocolate 5 cents. So there we go. There's the finished product. I keep forgetting things.